Hi and welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to talk about key insight 2, climate change, food wastage, and sustainability. Well, if you look at the statistics, the agriculture, the forestry, and the land use industries account for around 25% of the annual global greenhouse gas emissions worldwide. So these include things like the cultivation of organic soils, burning, rice cultivation, synthetic fertilizer, manure, enteric fermentation, and so forth. And also, if you look at the small scale farmers, they are the people who are at high risk for a catastrophic impact, as crop insurance, real time weather updates, climate change resilient seeds must be provided to them to address issues like global warming and highly volatile weather. And also, we are seeing a decrease in the annual yield of countries nearer to the equator across Africa and South Africa due to rising temperatures. And another challenge that comes with increasing temperatures is those conditions are ideal for pests like locusts and other insects, making the struggling food supply chain face more adverse consequences and unprecedented challenges. And if you look at food wastage, more than 644 million tons of fresh produce are wasted globally each year. And if you look at the total amount of food that's wasted, it's around 1.3 billion tons. So that has a retail equivalent of 1 trillion US dollars. And the massive amount of energy, so 300 million barrels of oil are used per year to produce food which is never eaten, and around 25% of all fresh water is used to produce food which is never eaten. And around 24 billion tons of global fertile land is lost per year due to unsustainable farming practices, excessive use of pesticides, and weed killers and other chemicals. And also the unsustainable farming practices which we are using most of the time around the world makes the land unusable for any further farming activities. So those were a few facts and figures as far as insight to climate change, food wastage, and sustainability is concerned. I'll see you on another lecture.